everyone, my name is NGUYEN TRAN and today I will talk about the AR technology for my presentation. So let's get started. So let's talk about what is augmented reality. Augmented reality blends real world and computer generated info, letting users interact with digital content in the environment. It's applied in gaming, education, healthcare, and marketing. So basically, we can see AR everywhere from Messenger filter, Snapchat, into game like such as Pokemon Go or thing like Google Lens and stuff like that. So let's talk about the history of AR. AR technology has been around for decades, but only in recent years has it become more accessible to the general public. From early experience in the 1960s to the massive success of Pokemon Go and Google Lens, AR technology has come a long way. Today, it is used in industries such as education, healthcare, military, and entertainment, and its potential for future growth is immense. And we can in our phone like every app such as the Messenger filter, we can use we can see the AR technology has been developed more and more, and there are five types of AR. The first one is marker based AR. Second one is markerless AR, projection based AR, superimposition AR, and location based AR. So how does AR relate to multimedia technology? Well, this enhances reality with the digital information, overlaying text, image, and video on physical object for interactive experience. It's used in entertainment, education, marketing, and can be applied to media content for more immersive experience. By the time that company that use the AR technology, they have grown up a lot, and the more they use AR technology to apply into multimedia technology, the more that company will develop and become bigger and bigger. So let's talk about two examples of AR application. The first app that I choose is Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go is a two-time system mobile game that uses your phone, camera, and GPS to create a virtual world where people catch Pokemon. The so basically, people use the phone as a device to catch the Pokemon that appear on their phones. And the augmented reality gaming is being offered by Pokemon Go combine location-based and markerless AR technology. And the use of each technology is for the markerless AR technology, it contains environment recognition. This means that it will based on the the environment around the users and to show up the Pokemon, the perspective and the positioning. Like each position that will have a chance that a Pokemon will appear on the user phone and occlusion and interaction. So people will try to interact with the phone when they try to catch the ball. Like they slide up the phone, like basically they throw the Pokeball into the Pokemon and try to catch the Pokemon. The location-based AR technology include the GPS and location. So GPS mean like GPS and location is mean like people will gather the device will try to understand and identify where is the user, and they will show up the Pokemon that are around the environment, spawning the Pokemon and Chim and Pokestop. Chim and Pokestop mean that they are the the augmented reality shop that people can buy and purchase things on the Pokestop and gyms to use the battle with the Pokemon with other player. For Google Lens is an image recognition technology developed by Google that identify object and text an image. It provides information and suggestion based on the identified object, and is interact with various Google products such as Google Photos and Google Assistant since 2017. Google Lens made use of markerless AR and location-based AR technology. For the markerless AR technology, it include object recognition, the information overlay that will show the context for that item that they show on the phone, and interaction with action. Like I mentioned before, people will try to interact with the thing on the phone, such as you're scanning the code and try to see what happened to the item that they're using to the Google Lens. For the location-based AR technology, it includes a landmark recognition, local business information. That means that the Google Lens will try to provide the information that related with the business and with that items and the live translation. So basically not all user can understand English, so they will try to show the language in their mother language to understand and try to use the app easiest easier. So for the positive impact of Google Lens is user have been significantly impacted by the Google Lens by allowing users to scan and recognize objects. Landmark and test using the small camera is first make information retrieval similar. The impact of Google Lens on society is huge too. By allowing users to quickly obtain the pertinent information about things, location, and tasks, it has first and foremost democratized access to information. And the last one is nationwide effects of Google Lens are remarkable. Firstly, it has an age in cultural communication and understand by offering real-time translation too. Secondly, by doing that, Google Lens will have the people who around the world will have the access to Google Lens and they can understand and try to use the app easier. For the positive impact of Pokemon Go users have experienced a tremendous impact. The introduction of AR technology, which seamless merge with the virtual and real world, has transformed the way consumers interact with the video games. For the society, by establishing a shared experience, it has brought individuals together and encouraged social engagement. Nation is also got impact by Pokemon too. Since gamers go to various towns, landmarks, and historical locations in pursuit of Pokemon, it has increased the tourism and regional economy. So people who travel around the world try to catch the Pokemon, and fortunately for them, they will try to visit town that has historical and history, and they can learn new things about that town, and they try to enjoy that town more by doing a normal tour. So, in conclusion, AI technology has the power to bring a new layer for creativity of our life. From entertainment to education to advertisement and military, the possibility are truly limitless. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can only imagine that the future holds. One thing is for certain, the future is exciting. That is the end for my presentation and thank you for your listening. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and if you have any question you can ask me.